My grandmother has been drinking this simple morning recipe every day, and it's truly amazing. Even at 80, she's still full of energy. Her skin has a healthy glow, and she moves as gracefully as someone in her 40s. Today, I'd love to share with you a simple, natural drink that helps cleanse the liver and intestines, gently flush out toxins, and recharge your body with fresh energy. The best part: it's made entirely from everyday kitchen ingredients, quick, easy, and perfect to prepare each morning. After just a few days, you'll feel lighter, more refreshed, and notice a healthy glow returning to your skin. Stay with me until the end of the video because I'll show you step by step how to make it right at home. Let's begin with the first ingredient, the apple. This was also the fruit my grandmother lovingly grew in her garden and ate every morning. She always believed that apples don't just aid digestion, they help the body stay clean from the inside out. And she was right. Apples are simple yet powerful when it comes to supporting natural detox. They're rich in antioxidants and natural fiber, which help sweep away waste from the intestines and support healthy liver function. When enjoyed regularly, apples help the body feel lighter, the skin look fresher, and the mind stay calm and clear, just like my grandmother always said. When the body is healthy, the mind feels light. The next ingredient is lemon, a fruit my grandmother always called the liver's best friend. And she wasn't wrong. There's real science behind it. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, two powerful components that help activate enzymes in the liver, support natural detoxification, and promote better fat breakdown. It also helps balance the body's pH, improve mineral absorption, and keep the digestive system running smoothly. Drinking lemon water regularly not only helps keep the liver healthy and the blood vessels clean, but also makes the skin brighter and more even-toned thanks to its ability to neutralize free radicals. The mild sour taste of lemon brings a refreshing feeling, helping you stay alert, relaxed, and ready to start a new day full of energy. This is exactly why lemon is always considered the soul of every natural detox recipe. Next is the banana, a fruit that almost every household has, and my grandmother always kept a few ripe ones on the kitchen table. She often said, "Eat a banana in the morning, and your stomach will feel light in the afternoon, and you'll sleep well at night." Bananas contain plenty of potassium and magnesium, two essential minerals that help the liver function properly and regulate blood pressure. They also help neutralize stomach acid, soothe the digestive system, and reduce bloating, which is especially beneficial for older adults or those who often experience indigestion. The mild natural sweetness of bananas makes the drink pleasant to taste without needing any added sugar, while providing steady energy that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Few people know that the pear, a familiar and gentle fruit, is actually a good friend to the digestive system and the body's natural detox process. Pears contain a high amount of water and plenty of soluble fiber, which help cleanse the intestines, remove waste, and support smooth bowel movements. The fiber in pears also helps nourish good bacteria, improve digestion, and enhance the body's ability to absorb nutrients each day. When the digestive system is healthy, the liver works more efficiently, helping the skin become smoother and the mind feel lighter. The naturally sweet and refreshing flavor of pears brings a pleasant cooling taste and balances the overall recipe. This is a wonderful choice to add to your daily detox routine, helping your body cleanse and gently rejuvenate from within. Where are you watching this video, in your cozy kitchen or relaxing in the living room? Leave a comment below because I'd love to imagine where you're joining me in making this recipe. And of course, oranges are an essential part of this recipe. Oranges are an excellent natural source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system and supports the liver in detoxifying more effectively. My grandmother always said, "A glass of orange juice a day keeps your skin fresh," and that's absolutely true. Oranges are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, the main cause of premature cell aging. When the liver absorbs vitamin C from oranges, it produces enzymes that aid in cleansing and restoring the body's energy. Drinking orange juice regularly helps keep the skin bright and healthy, supports smooth digestion, and uplifts your mood. The natural sweet and sour taste of oranges also makes the detox drink more refreshing, pleasant, and full of vitality each day. Finally, we have ginger, the ingredient that completes this cleansing recipe and boosts liver health. Ginger contains the active compound gingerol, which helps stimulate metabolism, support digestion, and naturally burn fat. It also helps reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation to the liver, and enhance the body's detoxification process. When your body is warmed from the inside, you'll feel lighter, more alert, and full of energy. The mild spiciness of ginger brings a soothing warmth, which is especially beneficial for older adults who want to improve circulation and maintain daily vitality. After preparing all the ingredients, apples, lemons, bananas, oranges, pears, and ginger, simply place everything in a blender with 700 milliliters of water and blend until smooth. And just like that, you have a naturally delicious, nutrient-packed drink ready to enjoy. Have you ever tried a natural recipe like this before? If yes, please share your experience in the comments. Your tip might inspire many others. This natural drink is a perfect combination of apples, lemons, oranges, and ginger, helping to cleanse the liver and intestines, support digestion, and remove toxins accumulated in the body. When enjoyed regularly every day, you'll clearly feel the difference. Your body feels lighter, your skin looks brighter, and your energy level rises. The naturally sweet and tangy freshness of this drink makes it a wonderful way to start your morning feeling healthy and full of vitality. Pour the remaining juice into a glass bottle, close the lid tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. The drink will keep its fresh flavor and nutrients for about 2 to 3 days, making it convenient to enjoy every morning without having to prepare it again. With just a few familiar ingredients, you can take care of your body safely, naturally, and effectively. Drink it regularly for 3 days to feel the positive change, a lighter body, a refreshed mind, and a more radiant complexion every day. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.